joking aside, you are watching two of the world's finest pilots in Paul Bonham and Steve Jones, something to be very proud of indeed, representing on the Red Bull Air Race circuit. And also, if you go on their BA 747 to Jamaica, more than likely Paul Bonham will be flying your aircraft for you, so that's quite nice.
Once I get you up there, where the air is rarefied.
So if you want to come and meet these guys in real life, get yourself the Red Bull Speed Jam. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Beautiful. Watch this. They swap planes. Well, the other one gets in the plane. The one gets out and the other one gets in. Amazing. And a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Currently cruising at about 8 feet off. If you want to meet these guys in person, get yourself the Red Bull Speed Jam, the final in Cardiff on the 3rd of September. You need to find special packs in store. Special packs of Red Bull, that is, in store, and they're your free tickets. So you need to visit redbull.co.uk/Speed Jam. They're low now, aren't they? They are low now. Oh, they're coming at us. Smoke on. Oh! That was close. Body moving, body moving, body moving. We be body moving, body moving, body moving, body moving. We be body moving, body moving, a body moving. Wow. Moving, we be body moving, body moving, a body moving, body moving, body moving, body moving, body moving, body moving. We be body moving, body moving, body moving, body moving. We be body moving, body moving, a body moving, body moving. We be body moving, body moving, a body moving, body moving, body moving, body 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 body. He's hovering in a plane. Oh my